Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I took my hair from that to this. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you keep on watching, turn on post notification and subscribe for more great content like this. So I went ahead to use some Quaker oats. This is something we all have on our shelves at home, but did you know that this right here can be a very perfect mucilage for detangling thick 4C hair? Now let me tell you guys a little about oats. But before then, the first thing you're going to do is simply add 2 sachets of oats to a pot of water, not boiling. The water should be cold, and then all you have to do is continue stirring until you bring this mixture to boil, and you're going to see the perfect consistency that we're going to arrive at. That is when you know that this is ready to be strained. It's now starting to boil. As you can see, oat has a lot of residue, so now that it's ready we have to go ahead and strain this mixture to remove all of that residue, because it's going to be very difficult to get all of that out of your hair. So you have to make sure you strain it very well. I use the mesh cap to do this. I'm sure you can see how thick the consistency of this is. It's a gel-like consistency and it's very good and nourishing. Once it enters into your hair, it makes it feel very silky. This is a very perfect mucilage for detangling your hair. You can see how dry my hair is. I've had these braids in for about 2 weeks or thereabout, and now I have to take it out, but detangling is going to be a struggle. That's where this mucilage comes in very handy. Oats are very healthy for detangling your natural hair. Oats contain beta-glucagon, a soluble fiber that acts as a humectant, pulling water into your hair and locking it in. This is especially important for 4C hair, which tends to be naturally dry. Oats are also very rich in zinc, iron and B vitamins, all of which strengthen the hair follicles and promote growth while reducing thinning and shedding. They also prevent breakage. The proteins and lipids in oats coat the hair shaft, improving elasticity and reducing breakage, single-strand knots, and split ends, something 4C hair textures are very prone to. It also suits the scalp. It has anti-inflammatory properties from compounds called avenanthramides. They calm irritation, dryness, and dandruff, making the scalp healthier for growth. Oats also naturally smoothen out the hair cuticle, helping to reduce frizz, detangle curls, and give bossy hair a very soft and shiny finish. Oatmeal is a powerhouse because it not only hydrates, it also strengthens, soothes, and protects, which directly targets the main needs of 4C hair. And the best part is that you are not just treating your hair, you can also use it to nourish your skin and body. Now let me tell you how. Colloidal oatmeal, which is finely ground oats, is famous for calming irritation from eczema, psoriasis, and even sunburn. The beta-glucan in oats acts like a humectant, pulling moisture again into your skin. Oats also contain saponins, natural cleansing agents that gently remove dirt and oil without stripping your skin barrier. For acne-prone skin, oats absorb excess sebum while soothing redness and inflammation. This is why so many skincare brands add oats to their lotions and masks, because it's gentle, healing, and effective. Now let's talk about applying it. You want to start on damp, unsectioned hair. Apply oatmeal from your scalp all the way down to your ends. Massage it gently into your scalp. This not only stimulates blood flow, it also lets the soothing properties of oats calm irritation, itchiness, and for more added advantage, you can cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and afterwards rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, and then follow up with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. You will immediately notice how soft, detangled, and moisturized your hair feels. So the next time you pick up a bag of oats, remember that it's more than just a breakfast food. It's a beauty and health secret passed down through centuries. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural hair tips and related content. And let me know in the comment section, will you be trying oatmeal on your next wash day? Bye for now, guys.